Hello, this is Shreya from Formula for Marketing. Today we are interviewing Miss Gunjan Jaiswal. She is a former makeup artist and educator in Lakme Academy in Krylon. Now she is a Delhi-based makeup freelancer. And today's interview's topic is never stop learning, keep learning new trends. So let's start with the interview. How you started and how you come to this point?
Hi, Shreya. Uh, how I started, first of all, I started doing this 5 years back. Basically, after my schooling, I jumped into this field side by side doing my studies. So initially, I was like just doing it as a hobby kind of thing, but then slowly and gradually, I started liking how things work, how I'm playing up with the colors, how makeup can make someone look very beautiful, someone look very confident. So slowly and gradually I did some courses related to that, and then I jumped into the professional courses. I did it from multiple places. I have taken multiple certified trainings from Mumbai, Delhi, and some international trainers who come from abroad. So this is the way I learned. Then slowly, gradually, I thought about working in this field to get more skills. So I started working with Lakme Academy. I have also worked in Krylon, where I get a lot of exposure and lot of learning skills, I can say. Yeah, so this has been my journey, and now I can say I'm a successful freelancer.
If a person means want to become a makeup artist, does he or she need a certificate to become one?
So, not about, I would say, a particular certificate, but yes, you need some basic skills, basic knowledge to start with anything. A lot of people, I believe, right now are going through, oh, we can learn through tutorials, we can learn through YouTube. Yes, you can get good some amount of knowledge, but as we say, less knowledge is more dangerous than no knowledge, right? So I believe we should have the knowledge about all the skin types. How we should work with the mature skin, how we should work with the sensitive skin. So yeah, I think basic knowledge is a compulsion.
Getting a certificate is more
So I
helpful
believe,
or tutorials?
see, when we talk about creative backgrounds or something creative industry, there
Hmm.
is no, as we can say, we generally don't stop learning, right? Once we get a certificate, doesn't mean that, oh, we know everything right now. We keep on learning through YouTube, through videos, seminars, webinars, a lot of things. So yeah, but I need for basic knowledge, one must be certified from any good reputed institute or academy. After that, you can explore as much as you want.
How many courses do you think one should do before he or she is ready to get bigger clients?
So it doesn't depend about number of courses you have done. It's all about how good is your portfolio, because only clients will only come to you when they saw your work. So it doesn't depend if even if you have done only one course, you can, yes, definitely get a good reputed clients if you have a good strong portfolio and a confidence in yourself, of course.
Okay. So, what type of course one should do to start with?
At least one should do the basic course, which include all the things related to theories, what we need for the makeup, which at least at least introduce us to the basics, to the basics of skin types, foundations, skin work, and eye work, how to do eye makeup for the particular eye shape. So yeah, basics is a must. After that, it's totally up to you how you grab up the skills. Even some people just do the basics, and they, after learning so much things through practice, they learn a lot of things, even much more better than the person who have done lot of courses, have spent a lot. So that totally up to you how much is your caliber. There is nothing we can say, it's very particular about it. It's totally up to
Okay.
you how you grab.
Would you pick up a course next or means practice through different social media or different means?
So if I get any particular thing, oh, like something, there is something in the market which I don't know, then yes, of course, I'll do go for something called a 1 day seminar, or something might be a 1 week course. But yeah, I believe that I know a lot of things. I have learned a lot of things which are going on in the market. So yeah, for that, I just need a lot of practice to excel that, I believe. But yeah, one must never stop learning. If anything new comes in the market and I might think that, oh, I'm not able to do that very properly, then I will not hesitate to go for one more course.
Okay. My last question is what are the top 3 to 5 areas there are in the beauty industry that will be growing soon, according to you?
Okay, so according to me, I would say nails is a thing. Is people are going much more interested in nail artistry, like nail extensions or nail art. It's a growing industry, I believe. Plus, lash extension is also a one growing industry. Like right now, I can see people are getting interested toward lashes extensions, and slowly, I believe these two industry are going to be a hit. Like they are going to boom the
Any
industry
other?
because I any other makeup is something that will always in the track. Skin is
Mm-hmm.
something that is always in the track. Yeah, so these two industries I personally believe people are also going through towards surgeries also, like lip or something. So yeah, that these are something that will always be in the track. But yeah, something lash extensions and this nail is something which is quite growing right now.
So that's it with today's interview, and thank you very much, Gunjan, for giving
Thank you so
us
much.
the interview.
Most welcome.